I am currently on a journey of decision making, and that involves a trip away. And a time away is always good because it changes perspective from my normal routine, which is usually doing a lot of painting. And for a lot of time, it was teaching students. But that is not the case at the moment, but I am painting. And I'm also involved in the restoration of my redwood house. Now, that today is all about restoring some cabinets in a kitchen. Now, these are old cabinets, 1920-ish. They are solid redwood, so they're worth restoring, but they have layers and layers of paint on them, and the hardware is pretty shot. So that all needs to come off, and a lot of scrubbing and cleaning and sanding, and then repainting and putting on new hardware. So this will be quite a project, but it is essential at this time in my journey, because whether I stay or whether I end up moving away to pursue my art, I need to get this kitchen finished. And it is a beautiful kitchen. Right now it's not so beautiful. It's a mess. There's a lot of things that need to be cleaned up, but it has good bones. The woodwork is terrific. There's so much cabinetry. There's breadboards. It is a great place to cook. I just love it so much. And you can see from the arched way there, that breakfast nook, that is a 1920s kind of detail. So I am busy working on these kitchen cabinets. Now, I am working on the whole bank underneath the window, and there's quite a few. There's actually 1, 2, 3, 4 different areas of cabinets. At one time, this house was a care home, and so they fed a lot of people. On my journey, I had the opportunity to worship at the church I grew up in as a little girl. I helped make those stained glass windows, and my father made the frames. My father made the cross at the beginning. I had time down in the LA area with family, and there's also just the recognition that, oh, I'm a country girl. I really struggle with all the freeways and such. But back on the plane, I head towards the North Country, where I have lived for most of my life now, the majority of it. There was some rain down in LA, uncharacteristically, and the clouds were just gorgeous. So it was a good time to be there and to renew times with family and people that I love and care for. But it was also the recognition that I am a country girl, and I am looking forward to get back to my rural home. Now, this art journey may take me to a larger place, possibly, but not as large as LA. It's just not, I just can't envision myself there. It's interesting when you take off from LA, if you haven't done it, they always fly over the ocean first. But as I get closer to my destination, the fog rolls in. We're in the middle of a cloud. There's actually, in the Pacific Northwest, we have a lot of weather like this, a lot of rain and fog. Fog can be a big problem when you want to land. So we always hope that that is not the case, that it'll clear up enough to have a safe land. And so I am mindful that logic says, hey, you can sell artwork a lot easier in other places. But yet teaching and having people study art can be so beneficial on so many levels. And that my heart is really there as well. And building relationships take time. So perhaps I should stay. I don't know. It is a journey, and its answer is not clear yet, but I am moving forward. Thank you for listening.
And don't forget to check your seatback pockets to make sure you have all of your personal belongings. And be careful.